Hi everyone, my name is Gurmeet and I am co-founder of Sasteghar.com. We are into real estate advisory services and we work in the area of Chandigarh capital region. I would like to thank Soil Cup for creating this wonderful platform where an entrepreneur can share his or her story and about their company profile. And this is the way to go forward. Once again, I would like to thank Soil Cup. Sasteghar.com, we started this journey in year 2012, so it's been successful 8 years now. This journey has been very exciting. We started with the work from home kind of concept, then we moved to a one-room office, smaller office, then we grown and we moved to a 3-room office, and now Sasteghar.com has a complete professional setup. We have offices in Mohali and in Himachal. Along with that, we have created a strong professional network of associates in Punjab and Himachal both. The biggest challenge I faced, change in mindset. Employee mindset versus a business person mindset. I have worked in various multinational companies for 17 good years. In those organizations, you have a strong interdepartment support and various other facilities. Now in your business, what happens is you are on your own. Where to put funds? What is your priority? So a lot of things were required. So I think this is the best change one can have from an employee setup to a business person, mindset one has to have. Another challenge I faced was to create a successful team, because in any successful business there has to be a successful team. Now luckily I have got my co-founder Rupinder Jassal. He's from technical background and which complements to the business. So together we make a very strong team. My message to my fellow entrepreneurs is go by instinct, go by gut feeling. That is where you are strong. That is why you have become entrepreneur, I think. And along with that, a lot of discipline, hard work is required. The same discipline and hard work as you were doing in your job, maybe more than that. So that is the kind of discipline is required. Make goals, make deadlines, follow them. These are the important things. And an entrepreneur is never unsuccessful. What I believe is, as an entrepreneur, either you win or you learn. These are the only two things in entrepreneur's life. An important aspect of entrepreneurial nature is solving problem and helping others. That basically works very well in your business model. You must create something like this. Like we have created an associate model, where if somebody who wants to do a real estate business and if he is not having resources or knowledge can sign up with us, and we work as a team. We provide knowledge, we provide infrastructure, they can use our office and all the infrastructure, and together as a team we move forward and we win. That is the way to move forward. Because of this model, we have really become very strong in real estate business. There are associates who are earning 5 lakh rupees a year. There are associates who are earning more than 10 lakh rupees a year, and there are associates who are even earning 15 lakh rupees a year through working with us. What we do, how we do. हम क्या करते हैं और कैसे करते हैं. As I said, we are into real estate advisory services. So anybody who wants to buy home or wants to invest in commercial property, they need some advice. We play a very important role there. किसी को भी घर खरीदना एक बहुत क्रिटिकल डिसीजन है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन है लाइफ का. So there is always good to have a consultant with you who can guide you, who can realize what your requirements are, who can understand what is your needs and accordingly suggest you. So how we do it? We have a laid down process. One, our team is properly trained. We are basically give value to the training to our team so that they can do justice with the customers. So with the prospect, our team sits. Our saying is that it is good to spend 30 minutes on table rather than spending 30 days in running around. So जब हम ज़्यादा समय अंडरस्टैंडिंग में देते हैं तो कस्टमर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट समझ में आती है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बजट दे आर हैविंग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नीड्स दे आर हैविंग, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली वी प्रिपेयर द प्रॉपर्टीज एंड वी शो इट टू आवर कस्टमर. We take them to sites, we give them options, and once they prioritize, we can finalize one of the property. That is how we give our customer a variety, a range. Anyone who is looking for investment in commercial property, so we have lots of options for them where they can have a regular monthly income by investing a pre-rented property, under construction property, shop, or some commercial showroom. In residential we have flats, plots, villas, so all kind of variety and range we have developed. So if I summarize who we are a team of professionals. We are properly trained to identify the need of our customer. Why us? We have a wide range of products starting from Zirakpur, Mohali, Kharar, New Chandigarh, residential, commercial. And there are basically two benefits our customers are surely going to get from us. There are many, but these two are important. One is we save their time, and second, we save their money. We get a good deal for them. That is our strength. So this is the thing we do in total if I want to share with you. So I want to thank everyone for watching this video, listening to us, and getting to know more about us. And also I would like to thank Soil Cup who have created this opportunity to reach up to larger audience through this video. And also I would like to request other entrepreneurs, let's help each other propagate each other's business which costs nothing. Recommend each other good people, and this way we can win together. Thank you so much.